excited. Johnny says something because them sister and me a drive. I wanna have no one bag of people around me, so they must know. So once one of the ear push him out or see another person, is the anonymous Janice.
Hey guys.
But anyway, guys, we are on our way. Excited. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do or where I'm going, but you guys will see. So I'm super excited. So I have to big up Janice the one day, because she's the reason why we can go. That makes sense, yeah. Cause she not say, yeah girl, now where you head, you go get you. I mean, I said, true. Can't bother them people where you have to do certain stuff too extra. But anyway, I'm super excited. My birthday is approaching. Today is the 10th, 11th day, and I'm making preparation, you know, stuff that I want. Not really, no big preparation like not traveling and not this and not that, but stuff that I want because it's still COVID, have kids, so you know there's something there. I'm going to the mall, finished dress. I'm in my cute little Zara top. I don't know, says Zara have a buzz. I have on a skirt. Could have shown my outfit. We have an appointment and I run late, so I'll take a picture and post it on my Instagram. But let me tell you friend now, maybe if me not get to take the picture, I can put on back my clothes and take the picture, and then I go see the braids, come here and take out the braids later. So let me make sure I tell you from now. But yes, tie down my hair. I have a cute little something will match it. Me do have this. Me don't remember it, you know. Me and Janice did buy this a Gucci. And it can't, this is the type of bag, this can't tie around my ear, so I can't bother tie it around my head. So I'm gonna use this cute little something, cheap, free me get this, so it most cheap. So it matches my shirt from Zara. I'm in a skirt, it must ride up on me because I'm sitting down. But I'm super excited, guys. Going to the mall, I'll show you guys. You see them traffic, huh? No, sir. Evening traffic. So I'm gonna show you guys. Well, I can't show you guys, but this vlog is a starting of something I want, where me never want, but me become for want. You know them way them. It's like it's an investment, as Johnny says, an investment. So it's not something, it never dep on my mind, because me I said, true girl not gonna wear all of them something about. Me don't know how it come up, so me say is, and then me in a ears for want it. Me don't know how all of this happen, but I'm finally gonna get it. So that's Janice go to the mall. She not tell me what she go to the mall for. Anyway, she's very friendly. I can't tell you none of that. That's why she don't want to see her face, because she don't want to be friendly with her. But she's very friendly, you know. She good with customer service. So she do what she have to do, and yeah, so we are go back at the mall. I mean, I like talk the way, you know, people are so Chrissy just start now and tell me what you say. But anyway, yeah, I'll tell you guys more about it once I receive it. And yeah, I'm excited. So be a traffic, let me show you. I wonder if Janice knows say people in here eat the ice.
Oh.
She ever have the little piece of orange cup. She left her phone and she never left the cup yet. But she left back her phone and the cup always under her arm with the ice in there. But anyway, we not traffic, I drive good up. I wish we were over there, so. Over there, so look quiet and nice. In the mirror? Oh. I'm there in there, so I get the piece of land. 200,000, you know? Jesus. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys posted. I know one of my seatbelt on, because Janice is very disciplined. So tattoo walk gets better. You did a strip. It'll come off now. And I carry the little cute mosquito bag. My little killer made pan spot bag. But I still have my big old bag on my foot to take out my purse and my wallet for putting on this when we exit the car. So I'll see you guys at the mall. So guys, I'm leaving Neiman Marcus. We exit through Neiman Marcus, come through Neiman Marcus and exit. And birthday, yeah, oh my god. People, I may not even feel pressured, you know. Well, Johnny said, girl, you deserve it. So I know I do. I don't feel pressured like shit. I just spend almost, how much money that in Jamaica?
It's a car, girl. It's a car.
That's a car. I just done by myself a damn car. Can you believe that? Huh? Can you believe that? Hey guys, so we are at Florida Mall. May I come going to Zara, go return my clothes them. But yeah, cause this not safe. So I have some stuff to return. Zara is super expensive, by the way. Shopping for Zara online because the are like they are limited, so you don't really see nothing in the mall. So I bought some stuff online. I bought 2 jackets online, so I have to return them. Yeah, then I have some because the type of skirting and stuff that Zara have now, the sizing is off. May I wear extra large in them. That's what I realized. So one fit. So I'm gonna look see if I can do an exchange. If not, I'll place my order online again. But there's stuff that I have to bring back. What t-shirt, like me now, one nice one. I have some blouse I have to bring back too. Yeah. So come. We've been a rock with Zara years on top of years. Go son girl. True. We've been a rock with Zara years on top of years. And a 2021. But anyway, yeah, I gotta bring back them clothes here. Me vex bad. Upset my spirit. And then see if we can spend another money cause I saw the things set down. Yeah. So I'll keep you guys posted and see. I gotta see what Zara have. By the way, Zara clothes they fit. Once it's your size, it make you sexy. So we're gonna see what Zara have again.